Hi guys. The thought that I've been carrying lately, it's not that big of a deal, but it is something that has made me realize how fragile and how important I am for myself before I am important to somebody else. While having this cup of tea in the morning at almost 9 a.m., I thought that this is something that I want to talk about in vlog 3. While thinking about how worse the last 2 years of my life have been, I have realized that in those सालों में I have hit almost a low point in all the aspects of my life. I have failed in choosing a career. I have failed in gaining the perfect GPA. I have failed in making the most wonderful friends. I have failed in realizing the importance of family. Not because I chose it to, but because I have chosen the wrong people. 5 years ago मेरी जो पर्सनालिटी थी और मेरी जो पर्सनालिटी आज है, I think it could have been much better in terms of me being outspoken about my emotions, about how I feel, about what I want to do, what I want to choose. The last 5 years of my life have revolved around sacrifices in one way or the other. I don't know if I did the right thing, but I do realize that I have wasted a few of the most important years of my life chasing things that when I realize today, when I sit with them today, I agree that they were a complete waste of time. I don't know if there is anything in this world that is going to make you feel 100% secure, 100% satisfied, या कुछ भी. When you get something in life, you always want to make it better. And that's the case with everything. Even if it's about your career, even if it's about your friendships, your relationships, the lives of your parents, the lives of your siblings, and the people who were there for you when you really hit the lowest point of your life. मेरी लाइफ हमेशा सिर्फ इसी चीज़ के अराउंड रिवॉल्व करी है कि इसको मेरी किसी बात का बुरा ना लगे, या इसको मेरे से बात नहीं करनी. आई डोंट नो, इट हैज़ ऑलवेज रिवॉल्व्ड अराउंड सेटिस्फाइंग अदर पीपल कि कहीं उससे कोई इमोशन मेरी वजह से गलत ना फील हो जाए. एंड आई बिलीव दैट इट्स टोटली रॉन्ग, बिकॉज किसी और इंसान को एक मोमेंट के लिए अच्छा फील कराने के लिए आई हैव गिवन 3-4 months of my life. That's something I did for the whole 5 years that I've passed by. And when I hit the lowest point of my life and I looked around, I had literally nobody. लोग आते हैं, उनकी पसंद का जवाब सुन के चले जाते हैं. And when you come in the same situation, लोग choose करते हैं to intentionally not help you out. And that's the worst case, because I believe that to find people who are like you need to be patient. You need to be out here confessing what is happening in your life, how filthy did it get throughout, ताकि कुछ लोग जो एक्चुअली इस चीज़ से कंसर्न हैं, दे फाइंड यू आउट, दे बिकम योर फ्रेंड्स, दे टॉक टू यू, दे लेट इट ऑल आउट, अपनी चीज़ें शेयर करेंगे, एंड देन यू विल फाइनली फाइंड पीपल हु आर लाइक यू. अब फाइनली at the age of 23 I have realized that I don't need anybody's validation to exist. मुझे कोई perfect body नहीं चाहिए, that perfect lean figure. मुझे बस एक consistent plan चाहिए how I move my body, because maybe 5-10 years from now I want to be having enough stamina कि मैं 10 floor चढ़ सकूँ, and I'm totally capable to play with my own kids. That's the only kind of fitness that I want. I don't want to look a certain figure, because जब आप मुंह खोलते हो and all that you can speak of is shit, then those perfect hourglass figures or those muscles, वो सब कुछ मैटर नहीं करता. अगर आपके अंदर एक सेंस ऑफ रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी नहीं है कि मैं तो वैलिडेशन सीख नहीं करूँगी, बट आई एम ऑल्सो सपोज टू बी रिफ्लेक्टिव ऑफ हाउ अ पर्सन मस्ट फील. अगर किसी ने आपके साथ कोई इस तरीके की हरकत नहीं करी है, कोई जजमेंट पास नहीं किया है, देन इट्स टोटली फाइन टू लेट दैट पर्सन लिव. ज़रूरी नहीं कि आप अगर कोई ओपिनियन रखते हो विच माइट साउंड रूड, तो उसको एग्जैक्टली कहने के बजाय यू जस्ट हैव टू फाइंड अ फ्यू गुड वर्ड्स, समथिंग दैट प्रॉब्ली डजंट मेक द अदर पर्सन फील गिल्टी, something that doesn't make me feel themselves question their worth just the way you did. मैंने कभी कोई perfect study schedule follow नहीं किया in the last 5 years. I did not study at all. I did not live my college life to the fullest. I could have done better, 1,000 times better, लेकिन कुछ circumstances which probably are going to be shared in the coming vlogs, उन सब की वजह से I did not live my life in the past 5 years. हर चीज़ बस ऐसी लगती थी कि हाँ चलो ठीक है, the time is passing and that's all I want. And then came in a time this year that has passed by in 2025 by the end, that I literally want a life, a schedule that doesn't overburden me or exert me. So I have chosen to read stuff, to study in the hours जो मुझे comfortable feel कराएं, that don't exert me but still make me feel like I'm achieving something, I'm reaching somewhere. And I believe for me that is all life is about now. I want to make myself better in the coming years. ऐसा नहीं है that I don't want a luxurious life. I do want it, but I can wait until the time I'm mature enough to not be flashy about it. अगर मेरे पास एक बड़ी गाड़ी है 3 करोड़ की, तो मुझे अपने अंदर इतना सेंस ऑफ रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी और इतनी मैच्योरिटी लानी है कि अगर मजबूरी में मुझे एक ऑटो में भी ट्रैवल करना पड़े तो मुझे अजीब फील ना हो. And I believe that in the last 5 years I have learned that. I've learned how to be a little bit humble. I'm still accepting the fact that I do need to work more on myself, which I am doing. and that's what my vlogs are about. But I don't know what life has ahead of it, but I really don't want to live a certain emotions उसके बारे में सोच के, because I believe that when we think of a perfect moment, तो हमारा ब्रेन वो इमोशंस ऑलरेडी, वो हॉर्मोन्स ऑलरेडी रिलीज़ कर देता है कि जब वो मोमेंट एक्चुअली होता है तो हम समझ नहीं पाते हैं दैट हाउ आर वी सपोज टू रिएक्ट टू इट. अगर मैं अभी ये सोचूं कि कल को मेरे पास 6 करोड़ की गाड़ी होगी या 2 करोड़ का घर होगा, तो मेरे ब्रेन में इमोशंस रिलीज़ होंगे, एंड व्हेन आई इवेंचुअली हैव इट तो मुझे समझ नहीं आएगा हाउ डू आई रिएक्ट. एंड दैट इज़ समथिंग माई मोटो इज़ to live life one day at a time. I think of the next week, I think of 1 month from now. I think of the moments that I want to live in my life, but that's it. I don't try to live them. And that is something I want my audience to do too. To live one day at a time.